Hi students, in this video we are going to write the prime numbers between 1 to 100. We all know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. It will not come under prime, it will not come under composite also. That's why I didn't include 1 in this table. So the first number alone I have written 2, because all the remaining even numbers are not prime numbers, because all the remaining even numbers will be divisible by 2. So that's why I didn't include any even numbers in this table. I have written all the odd numbers except this 2. 2 alone prime number, all the remaining even numbers are not a prime number, so you no need to worry about the even numbers except the 2. So 2 is a prime. We can circle this because 2 will not come under any other tables. So the number which are all circling, that is a prime number. So 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime, but 9 will not come under the prime number. Why? Because 9 will come in 3 tables. So that you can cancel. Now we are going to cancel fastly now. Now this is a 5. So the number which are all ending with 5 will come under 5 table. So the whole line will never come in the prime number at all. So you can cancel this whole. So the number ending with 5 will never come. So that I cancel. Now number 77 will come under 11 table. We can cancel. So anything which is fastly, you know that you can cancel it. Now from the beginning here, 11 is a prime, circle it. 13 is a prime, circle it. 17 is also a prime, 19 is also a prime. Now we all know that what is a divisibility rule for 3. The number which we are adding, it is coming to the 3 table, that we have to cancel. 21, 2 plus 1 is 3, it will come in 3 table, we can cancel. 23 will never come in any other table, circle it, it's a prime number. 27, 2 plus 7 is a 9, it will come under 3 table, so it will not a prime number. 29 will never come in any other table, so 29 is a prime number, you can circle it. 31 will never come in any other table, so you can circle, that is a prime number. 33, 11 table it will come, you can cancel this. 37 never come in any table, you can circle it. 39, 3 table it will come, so it will not a prime number. 41, it will not come under any other tables. 43 never come in any other tables. 47 also never come in any other tables. 49, 7 sevens are 49, you can cancel. 5 plus 1 it will be 6, 6 will come in 3 table, so 51 also will come in 3 table. 53 not possible. 57 3 table, because 5 plus 7 is 12, so that is a 3 table number, you can cancel, it will be a composite number. 59 will never come in any other table, so you can circle it. Now from here, 61 is a prime, 63 is a 3 table number, so we can cancel this. 67 it will never come in any other table, circle it. 69 3 table, so cancel this. 71 will never come. Then 73 also not in any tables. 79 not in any tables. So here 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, will come in 3 tables. 83, 8 plus 3 you just add it 11, so not in any table, circle it. 87, addition 15 is coming, so 3 table. So 89 is a prime number. So 91, it will come in 7 table, so it's not a prime. 93 will come in 3 table, it's not a prime. So 97 is a prime. 99 again it will come in 3 tables, so you can cancel. So why we are cancelling this, what we are going to write it from this, this means we are going to write here how many numbers are pending, we are going to check now. Here look at the number. From 90 to 100, how many numbers are prime, means only one number. So here from 80 to 90, there are 2 numbers. 70 to 80, there are 3 numbers. Again 60 to 70, 2 numbers. Again 2 numbers. Here 3 numbers are pending. Here 2, again here 2, here 4, and here also it will be 4. So here this we can by heart very easily. So for 1 I am going to take it as A. For 2 I am going to take it as B, and C it is C, and B, B, C, this is B, B, D, D. So this you can remember very easily. ABC, BBC, BBDD. So that's you can keep it in your mind. If anybody asking you how many numbers are there between 90 to 100 means you can say that it's only one number because that comes under A. Suppose somebody is asking 70 to 80 how many prime numbers are there, now you can keep your mind and see. So you can say the three numbers are there, that is 71, 73 and 79. Very easily we can say that. So keep this table in your mind, ABC, BBC and BBDD. So that is a count for the prime numbers. Thank you for watching.